Hello and thanks for joining us. James Whelan here, Managing Director of Barclay Pearce Capital's Wealth Management Team. I am joined by Invion's Thian Chew. Thian, how are you going now?
Good, James, yourself?
Not so bad. Got a little bit of news that's popped out. So this is just a really good quick flash one. First off, they've recently announced a collaboration with a major South Korean pharmaceutical group. Thian, who is Hanlim?
Hanlim Farm is one of South Korea's largest pharmaceutical companies. They generate about $350 million in sales and also have about 900 staff.
Okay, thank you. Now, specifically, it's going to be something that I need to pronounce. So here we go. What is here we go. 3 stats. What is glioblastoma multiforme, also known as GBM? Why is that important to this deal?
Yeah, glioblastoma is actually a type of brain cancer, and it's one of the most prevalent forms. About half of all brain cancers are actually glioblastoma multiforme. And so it has a lot of clinical relevance. There's also not a lot of great solutions right now in the space. There's a lot of resistance. It's a very complex area when you have to treat brain tumors.
Mm-hmm.
So we're really excited about exploring the potential of INV-043, both from a therapeutic as well as a diagnostic perspective.
So putting it in layman's terms, how does this work?
Basically, we're going to do a lot of preclinical work with Hanlim, which very importantly, they're going to be funding. And we're working with the one of the top 5 hospitals in Korea called St. Mary's Hospital in Seoul. We're working with the chair and head of their neurosurgery department, a guy called Professor Jung. And we're working together with them to essentially try to determine the best pathway to trials and patient applications.
Got it. Now, why should investors be excited by this announcement?
Well, I mean, firstly, I think there's the validation of the technology by a big pharma, particularly one that has seen our data and also is obviously focused much more on the commercialization aspects. Number 2 is it really gives an opportunity for us to work on an area that we otherwise wouldn't have the capacity and the resources to work on. By doing partnerships with firms like Hanlim, they fund this work. We give a greater range of potential for our sort of investors and also patients. And ultimately, at the end of the day, we have greater optionality and greater potential here for our technology to be used across multiple cancer indications, which is what our objective is with INV-043.
Thank you very much. Well, looking forward to more news coming out. Very exciting one, this one in the partnership with Hanlim, South Korean pharmaceutical company. Thank you for joining us, Invion head Thian Chew. Have yourself a great day.
Okay, thanks, James.